Do you own an Amazfit band or smartwatch such as Amazfit Band 5, GTR 2, GTS 3, GTR 4 or any other Amazfit watch? Then you must know that these devices come with built-in Alexa support. It's a great feature to have, but sometimes Alexa may not work properly due to various reasons. If you are going through the same issue, then in this video I will show you how to fix the problem of Amazfit Alexa not working. Without wasting any more time, let's begin and see what to do if Amazfit Alexa couldn't authorize. There can be many reasons why Alexa may not be working on your Amazfit watch or band. Some of the most common reasons are as follows. In order to use Amazon Alexa on your Amazfit device, it is crucial that your watch is connected to your phone, or else you won't be able to give Alexa your commands. The Zepp app on your phone needs to be updated to the latest version, or else you may have to face issues like Alexa couldn't authorize, Alexa not working, and more. Apart from the Zepp app, your watch also needs to be up to date to its latest version, because Alexa may not work properly on older versions of the watch OS. It is possible that your phone is connected to your watch, but there is no internet connection on your phone. In that case also, Alexa may not work properly. In order to use Alexa on your Amazfit watch, you need to properly set it up before using it. If Alexa is not set up properly, it is bound to malfunction. So now you know the potential reasons why Amazon Alexa may not be working properly on your watch. Following are some methods you can use to fix these issues. Sometimes, all it takes to fix a glitch in an electronic device is a reboot. You can also try this with your Amazfit watch. If Amazon Alexa is not working on your device, then you can reboot your watch and try again. Most of the time, this much effort is enough to fix the Amazfit Alexa not working on Band 5, GTR 4, GTS 3, etc. You can also try to unpair and then again pair the watch to the Zepp app in order to fix this issue. In order to do this, you need to follow these methods. Go to the Zepp app and click on the profile icon at the bottom. After that, select My Device. Next, you can scroll down and tap on the Unpair button. With this, your watch will be unpaired. In order to pair the watch again, you need to go to the profile icon and then select Add Device. Next, select a device to pair. After that, you can follow the on-screen prompts to pair the watch again. You can check my video on how to connect an Amazfit watch to your phone. You will find it in the I button or in the description below. Another trick you can utilize is clearing the cache of the Zepp app. It can help you fix Alexa on your Amazfit watch. For this, you need to go to the Apps section in the settings and find the Zepp app. Next, click on Storage and then Clear Cache. If you have Amazon app installed on your phone, then you can try uninstalling it from your device. This may sound like a weird solution, but according to some users on Reddit, this method helped them fix the Amazon Alexa not working issue. According to the Reddit user, you can reinstall the Amazon app after the issue is resolved. If you don't properly set up Alexa on your watch, then you may not be able to use it. Here's how to link your Amazon Alexa account to your Amazfit watch. Open the Zepp app and navigate to the Profile section. Select Add Accounts and then choose Amazon Alexa. Enter your Amazon account name and password when prompted. Grant authorization by following the provided instructions. Once you have successfully authorized the app, you can access Alexa on your watch. Simply press and hold the power or home button on the watch for 1 second to activate Alexa. To ensure optimal functionality with Alexa, it's important to keep both your Zepp app and device up to date. Follow these steps to update your device. Open the Zepp app on your smartphone. Go to the profile page and select your smartwatch name under My Devices. Scroll down to reach the device settings page. Look for the option labeled System Update and tap on it. Your device will initiate the update process and install the latest version. Once the update is complete, you will be able to use Alexa seamlessly with your updated Zepp app and device. By following these steps, you can check and upgrade the watch system on your phone through the Amazfit app. Thank you for watching our comprehensive guide on fixing the Amazfit Alexa not working issue. We hope the troubleshooting steps and tips shared in this video have been helpful to you. If you found this content valuable, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more wearable tutorials and solutions. Feel free to leave any questions or comments in the section below. Stay tuned for more exciting content.